This is a capture race challenge for white. So we've seen this pattern many times before in this section, including in the previous problem in this section, 439. It's about one side standing down here, and it's about to sacrifice these 2 stones, throw in again a tari, and win this race to capture. So if white responds with number 1, white will be at the wrong end of this technique. And now white has 3 liberties left, while black has 4. So white will fail this way. So that is why white must avoid that result. And the only way to do that is to play here at first. Otherwise, black can cut here and finish white off. White must connect here, and black's best move is just capturing this 1 stone. You might think that this is going to be a real eye, and white has no real eyes, but it doesn't matter here because there are no mutual liberties. We talk about real eye versus no eye when there are mutual liberties. But here, when there are none, it doesn't matter. It only depends on how white exhausts black's liberties. So white can play here at number 3, black captures, and now the next move is really key. It might seem like white can play this, stand down here, threatening to come in, and white can win this way. Or this way. This way works too. But the problem with number 5 is that black can play a bend on the first line and create a ko, which is really annoying. Really, really annoying. You don't want to play this ko with black. And this is something you should watch out for. That's why number 5 should be here instead. Now there's no way black can make a ko. If black exhausts liberties on the outside, white can just connect here, and there's no way black can win this race to capture. So after 1, 3, and 5, white can actually succeed. Of course, you might think number 4 can be something like this. Doesn't matter. This is the same result. If white comes in like this, then actually white can push here, capture, forcing black to connect here, and white can make a living shape this way. And black cannot. Black does not have enough eye space here in the corner. And white has a living shape. So white can succeed this way as well. Also, number 3 can be here as well. And you can try some of the patterns on your own. This should be very, very similar, except that black has this push, but it doesn't work because now white still has 4 liberties left. So number 4 does not reduce white's liberties. This problem involves a very common technique, except that here white is about to be on the wrong end of that technique. And that's why white must play at number 1 to avoid being killed. And again, number 3 is another key takeaway here because white does not want to start a ko. Hope you enjoyed the pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.